How's it, guys? Welcome back again to the channel, and today I've got a different video from what I normally do on my channel. Today I want to detail my Audi A3 with an S3 swapped engine in there. So I've got guys who are sponsoring today's video, HK Detailing Premium, right, if I have it correctly. So they will be assisting me and washing up the car, making sure that it's nice and clean, you know, fully detailed, paint corrected, ceramic coated, everything onto the car, make it nice and spotless, because I haven't actually, to be honest, you know, taken good care of the color paint of this car. So at least if they're going to be, you know, bringing it back to life, making it shine again, so it's something that I actually considered. So they are going to be helping me out, and I'm going to flip around the camera, and then they'll introduce themselves, and then they'll tell you what they do, what the business is, and then I'll obviously leave their details in the screen somewhere here, or at the links down below. So let me show you or introduce you to the guys. How's it, guys? Thank you guys for coming.
Hi.
My name is Ntsieni. Tsepo.
Jay.
Nice to meet you guys. So who are you guys? What do you guys do, man? Explain to the viewers what you're gonna be doing to the car today.
Yeah, well, we're HK Premium Detailing, a young detailing company. We're based out of Pretoria. So, yeah, my bro and I just started the business like 3 months ago.
All right.
Yeah,
Nice,
so
nice.
we're going steadily, but yeah, we are car detailers. We love cars, so we figured let's clean the cars that we love.
Thank you.
So yeah.
Today, we're going to be working on S3,
Yes.
A3.
A3 swapped
Sleeper
S3.
S3.
Yeah, 100%. There we go. You got it right there.
So today we're going to be doing full detail, inside and out. And then afterwards, we're going to do paint correction, single step paint correction, and then 1 year ceramic coating. So the car's going to be shiny. It's going to be hydrophobic. It's going to be...
It's gonna be new.
Yeah, basically new. It's going to be cleaner than when you got it.
Is it?
I want it back because they're gonna think it's new.
That's proper, man, guys. Thank you so much for pulling through and for sponsoring, man. So I'm gonna let you guys. This is your baby for the day today. Okay. You guys do what you need to do, and man,
Thank you.
Get busy. All right, so the guys are gonna start up with the interior of the car and then clean up the full interior. You know, make it nice and clean again, fully prepped out. So yeah, they're gonna start with the interior. Once they're done with the interior, they're gonna go and start the wash on the outside. So I'll put some footage while they are busy cleaning out for you, and then yeah, let's let them do their work. Let's see how the sleeper will look after they're done. Let's go.
Now we're gonna
All
start
right.
polishing now.
What's the next step, man? I see you've been doing quite a lot of wash,
We
man.
did a lot of prep work.
Yeah,
So
man.
we washed the car, we clayed it, and then so now we're just gonna do a one-step quick. We have a Svissa. Svissa. Yeah, it's a German brand.
Oh, okay.
Very good for polishing. So it's a medium.
Okay.
Good for a one-step, and then afterwards we're gonna ceramic coat.
Ah, sweet.
Yes, sir.
Here I can see the paint work is shining back again.
Feel it, it's smoother. From the
Yeah, it
clay.
definitely does feel smoother.
Yeah.
Shit, damn, man. Well done, guys. Yeah, you do your polishing.
I will.
Let's continue.
Thank you very much.
HK Detail Premium for you guys, man. All right. So, what's happening here now?
So this is before polish. This is after
Damn.
2 pass. It's much smoother.
Yeah, you can immediately see how
See.
clean it is. This
Yeah.
is shiny compared to that. Yes, yes. This is good work, guys.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no, I'm impressed. It's nice and smooth, man. Look at that. Look at the difference, guys. Look at this. Before and then after the correction. No, wow. This is impressive. Sure. Yeah, sure. All right.
So we're also gonna do these piano black parts. A 1 pass, and then it's gonna be much shinier. You're actually gonna feel like when you open the door, you're gonna
Yeah, man, this is dope, man. Yes, I'm sure all of these marks will be gone here on the mirror
most
for
of
sure.
them it's gonna be gone.
But
I'm just gonna do these last because they're a bit heavier than the rest of the paint.
yeah, 100%. Oh. Now this is dope, man. This is dope. yeah,
It's time.
it's time for them. And also look who decided to show up again.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. What's happening?
Mr. Shots by Tawang is here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so these guys have been detailing, man. Yes, this thing looks a lot cleaner. So, yeah, man, what's the last step that you are gonna do now?
Ceramic coating. It's gonna last a year. It's gonna protect his car. Water is gonna bead off. Dirt doesn't stick. It takes longer to get dirty. And yeah, it's just gonna look glossier and feel nice and slick. So yeah, let's do it.
Let's let the guys work and finish up with.
Can someone tell Nteni to tint his windows? Like, fish balls, bro.
leave my windows alone. But I'll actually do the tint. Actually, I need one. I need a darker tint.
Bro.
Yeah, because it's
It's a fish bowl.
It's a fish.
Bro. To a dealership, gents, I want 300 here.
What are you saying, boys?
No, I'm saying you can go to the dealership and say, guys, I want 300 on this car now.
now. It's fully detailed now, properly.
Easily.
Ah, man, this thing is shining properly, man.
That's good.
Yes, this.
Now, what's that old saying? An old lady drove it.
Yeah, no. One driver, just drove it on weekends.
65-year-old lady.
Yeah.
65-year-old lady,
And
white lady, white 65-year-old lady drove it only on weekends to the grocery stores.
Wow.
You know? So,
Yeah, it's clean, man.
clean, man.
Shots, what do you think, boys?
bro, I think absolutely amazing. Yeah, man, it's fantastic. It's beautiful.
Yeah, no, they did a very good job, man. Ah, guys. You smashed it, man. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you, brother.
Yo.
Thanks for trusting us.
No, definitely, man. Guys, again, if you need some detail work, man, HK Premium Detailing are there to help, man. Look how clean this car is. I'll try and put some clips and as well for you guys so that you can check it out as well. But yeah, man, shit, I'm happy, man.
Yeah, no, it's proper.
Now this is yeah, no, this is the stuff, man. Yes,
And then
this.
when you pull into the garage, we'll probably see.
You'll probably see the light,
The
no?
light properly.
All right. Yeah, because obviously now it's getting dark, so we can't see. But yes, I wish you guys can just feel how smooth the paint is. Yeah, that's how you'll get to appreciate the level of quality that these guys have done on the car, man. But yeah. Speaking of, yeah.
show you.
Oh, we want to do
Oh, the water test,
the water test. Let's see.
Can you see?
Let me can you just. Look at that.
Just
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing sits.
Yo.
so it even like the water, it creates beads or it becomes dots because of the water tension.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is proper detailing.
No, that's the one.
This is the one. Yeah. Look, it beats
Actually,
up.
don't be scared, man.
These guys are still they're still demoing, so I can't interfere with the demo. Yeah. Nah, this is proper, man. This is.
You just wipe it off and you're good.
Good to go, bro. Even like with dirt, if you're in a hurry, you can just pressure wash it off because the dirt doesn't stick.
Oh,
so you don't need
okay.
to use much soap if you're in a hurry. It's not recommended, but
you
if
can.
you can.
Oh,
sir.
sweet, man. Ah, this is
Now
proper.
you can go
Man.
off-roading and you'll be fine.
Not on this. This is a sleeper. It's meant to tackle GTIs, Polos, I-30Ns. You see,
Kill them, kill
go on
them.
racetracks. Yeah, this is
them.
meant for that.
Kill them.
Yeah, man. But guys, thank you so much, man. I just want to pull it into the garage and see how it shines on the light, and then
As
yeah.
you said, guys,
Yeah.
300, baby is yours.
No, this is not for sale, boys. You know, this is not for sale. Look at him advertising my car. Hey, this is mine, man. This is not for sale. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave HK Premium Detailing links on the description, and I'll see if I can put it on the screen somewhere here. Please do give them a follow, reach out to them, you know, get a quotation for detailing your cars as well. And yeah, you know the drill. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and then I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Ooh.